Hello everybody, off out today. We're going to go shopping and everything. Got nothing in. Yeah, so going to go into town first, see what the crack is. Have a look around, see if the fishman's there. He might be there, and if he can I might be able to get myself some prawns or some prawn towels or something for some scampi. If not, I'll have to buy some. I might even pop to the butcher's and see if I've got any homemade chicken KFs in. So I'm going to have a go at them, because I had chicken KFs for ages and people want about chicken KFs. So I'm not going to try them if they've got any in. I know sometimes they do. We'll have a look. And than that, you probably can't see, she's hiding. There she is.
Morning everyone.
Yeah, morning everyone. Morning everyone. Yeah, so we're going to pop in town. I'll get a sandwich or something, eh, Bab?
Yeah.
You reckon? I've got to get myself some new shorts. We've told me shorts. Got to get some for the summer, because I hate wearing trousers in this weather. A bit cloudy, but from about now I always wear shorts all the way up to about November. So we've told me shorts, so I've got to get some new shorts. So let's pop off and have a look. Well, we're sitting down outside having something to eat. That's jacket spud, ain't you?
Yeah.
Cheese and coleslaw. I wanted a chicken and bacon sandwich with mayo, but I'm going to run out of chicken. It is a bit late now. So I've just had a chicken tikka sandwich. That's all I've had. I want a bowl of chips and a coffee. With a tasty cafe. We've come here before, so we thought we'd come here again, because it was quite nice, weren't it, last time? So I thought I'd come here again. I want to just try somewhere different, and it was rubbish. So I thought we'd come here, because it was quite nice last time. So, yeah, we've been doing a bit of shopping. Still got a bit to do. Ain't done no vlogging. We've just been in and out of the shops, haven't we? Can't get any shorts, because I want shorts with pockets with zips, and I can't get them. Hello, Bab. Thank you so much. Thank you, sweetheart. Yeah, I want the zips with pockets on my shorts. I always lose my stuff, and I can't get any with zips on. And I don't want the canvas ones, I just want proper shorts. But I can't get any, I've looked everywhere. I'll have to go online, I suppose. But never mind, I'll show you when the food comes anyway. And that's just how the coffee come. But yeah. There's Nat's coffee. Oh yeah. Hey? Catherine for coffee. Nice. It is nice coffees there though, isn't it? That was last time we come, weren't it? Very nice. Well, let's wait till the food come and I'll show you. Right, the food's here. That looks nice. The chips look nice. Mine looks a bit like egg mayonnaise with some food colouring. The chicken tikka. Let me show you. There's mine. Chicken tikka sandwich. Done well with the salad. There's the chips. The chips look nice. And there's Nat's. How is it, Bab? Oh, not too far. How is it? Oh, nice. That's nice. That says. Let me try the chicken tikka. Oh, let's put my phone down. Sure the wind doesn't blow it. Put my finger straight in it. Lift you up a bit. Alright, do ya?
The salad looks nice.
The salad looks lovely, doesn't it? Oh, there it is. Chicken tikka. They have no baguettes, which is a shame. If they were on a baguette, it'd been bang on, I think.
Yeah, I think it's
wouldn't it?
awesome. Yeah.
So that's had it on a sandwich. Have a go anyway, let's see. Quite nice. A little bit creamy. That's quite nice.
Does look creamy.
A little bit creamy, but quite nice. What's it on Nick's What's on Nick's keys?
They're all right on there.
No, on there, yeah. Oh, that's got a nice little kick and all. Can I try a bit?
No, thank you. I don't like the look of it.
I like the look of it. It's not the look, is it?
I know.
What do we say? It's all in the taste.
Okay.
Can I try a bit? Let me know what you think.
I like chicken tikka.
Oh.
A little bit, like you said, a little bit creamy.
It's a little bit creamy, but it's nice though, isn't it?
That's quite nice, that is.
Quite nice.
I don't think I could eat it on a sandwich. I think it'd be better on a baguette. Like you
It'd be
said.
better on a baguette, but I didn't have any. There's the chips. Let's try these chips. These chips look nice, don't they? They're only frozen chips, aren't they? I think anyway. They're not homemade, so.
These jacket potatoes well nice.
Nice crunch. Nice. Oh, let's get it all down there.
Crispy.
Nice crunch in there. Nice soft in the middle. Let's have a crack of my coffee. I put too much sugar in that. Good it's sugar instead of sweetener. Never mind. Yeah, all in all, it's not bad, is it?
No.
Show the inside of your potato, now you're getting into it. Oh, it's easy. Yummy. Yes? You happy now? You're very full. Look. Yeah, nah, because we hadn't had a coffee. And that, we usually get a coffee from Greg's. But I said, well, wait, didn't I? So he was,
Yeah, we know one won't get one.
yeah, you had some bad ones the last couple of times, didn't you?
Yeah, we've been boiled.
Had some bad ones, but reckons have lowered the ingredients on the cappuccinos and that, so you don't get as much.
Coffee, yeah.
That's what we reckon, don't we? It's a bit more weak. Yeah, a bit weaker. But all in all, I've had a look at the butchers. The fishman's here. He hasn't got any the fishing. They'll probably come a bit late. They're always early, ain't they? And everyone gets the stuff early, don't they?
Yeah.
The butchers have got some chicken KFs in, so I'm going to go and get some of them. And I'll probably do them on tomorrow's video. I'm going to have a crack, see what they're like. And they've got, I think it's 4 for a tenner, 2 chicken KFs. Well, you can pick 4 of whatever's there. I'll show you the board in a minute when we get this anyway. I'm going to go and eat it. Chicken tikka sandwich. Yeah. Well, we've had that, filled the hole. Yeah, that chicken tikka would have been a lot better if it was on a crunchy baguette.
That potato was nice.
Yeah, that potato was nice, she says. Anyway, we filled the hole, innit? There's some, yeah. So anyway, we're off to the butcher's, see if I can get these chicken KFs and have a go with them, and we'll have a look, eh? Chicken KF, garlic butter and toasted breadcrumbs, and Jamaican jerk, yeah?
Yeah, please.
Yeah? That's what we'll get 4 for a tenner. Okay, we're going to get them. So we went to butcher's. I had to get jerk chicken and Cajun chicken with a peppercorn sauce in the middle. Because they had no chicken KFs left, they all ran out. I thought they might have. But I've had to get them, so I'm off up to Aldi now. I'll probably get some chicken KF from up there or something. Do a video in the week about it. I'll probably do these jerk chickens and that in the next couple of days, and we'll see. Yeah, so I'll do them the weekend probably. We'll probably have them the weekend, so I probably won't have a big dinner tonight now. We just had something. Time's ticking on, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon now, so yeah, I'm gonna crack on and say just a small one, and we will see you tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye.